In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit full screen on TradingView. If you've ever been deep in analysis and decided to declutter your view, you've probably used TradingView's full screen mode. You can enter it by clicking the full screen icon in the top right of the chart area, or by using the keyboard shortcut Shift+F. It's a great way to focus on price action without distractions. The chart expands to fill your screen, the surrounding panels slide away, and you're left with a clean, immersive workspace. But here's the part that can be confusing. Once you're in full screen, the usual icons and buttons disappear. That's by design. The interface is intentionally minimal so you can concentrate. If you move your cursor around and don't see controls, don't worry, nothing's broken. You simply need the correct shortcut to get back. To exit full screen immediately, press the Escape key on your keyboard. That's the quickest and most reliable method. The Escape key is typically in the top left corner of your keyboard, and in most browsers and operating systems it's recognized right away. One tap, and your chart returns to the standard layout with all panels and tools visible again. If you prefer using the same toggle you used to enter full screen, you can also press Shift+F again. Think of it as a simple on and off switch. Shift+F to go in, Shift+F to come out. Some people like this approach because it keeps everything consistent, one shortcut for both actions. A quick tip if a shortcut doesn't seem to respond: make sure the chart area is active by clicking once on the chart, then press the key again. This isn't adding a new step, it just ensures your keyboard input is going to the chart rather than another part of your browser. There's no hidden menu to hunt for, and no special button you're missing. Full screen strips away the interface, so it's normal that you don't see visible exit icons while you're in that mode. Remember, Escape exits full screen instantly, and Shift+F toggles it either way. To recap in plain terms, enter full screen with the icon at the top right or with Shift+F. When you're ready to come back to the regular view, press Escape or press Shift+F again to toggle out. That's all there is to it. With these two shortcuts in mind, you can move in and out of full screen smoothly and keep your workflow fast and focused.